Okay guys, I redid my design a little bit. I put thorns on them. I made the little leaflets a little pointier. You can see we did up that side a little bit better. Now let me show you what else I did. I did up the dashboard. I had to take that off in order to diamond cut the rest of it. I diamond cut it inside there. Went around all that. And I put my viney rose, my thorny vine rose design on it. I put some roses on that. Turned out pretty good. This is plastic. So I have to get an aluminum one in order to do that. What I'd like to do too is I might take these off and either grind down the lettering or buy some blank billet ones. Put some roses and some thorns on that too. Let me show you what else I did. Yes, I did the frame too. I diamond cutted the frame. Did that side. And we did the other side. Diamond cutted the frame. That's how we're going to make the swing arm too. Swing arm is going to be like that. You know, so let me step away from here a little bit. Now what I have to do is I'm going to put the vine design on here also. And we're gonna go up like this, come up here, maybe put a rose down there. We'll come up here like that, and we'll make like a vine here, a windy vine with thorns, leaves, and roses on it. And we'll come up here and we'll go like that. And end it up there. And then in order to do this, we have to get these stickers off. Well, you know what? Maybe not that sticker. Maybe we'll leave that sticker on. Because, yeah, that's my VIN number. But in order to diamond cut this has to come off. Let's take a look on the other side there. Yeah, see that one there? That's basically a bullshit sticker. That can come off. Maybe I can even move it. If I can heat it up and move it a little bit. Or I don't know, maybe we won't even diamond cut that. Because if I diamond cut it, you know, I can't, you have to end with a diamond cut in here somewhere. So we diamond cut that. That might look a little funny. Maybe we'll leave that go. Maybe that's better to leave that go. But these are getting engraved. Then we're going to do up the swing arm too. We'll diamond cut this bar inside and out. Diamond cut this inside and out. And I might even do something to the aluminum backsplash back in there too. So that's the plans, guys. And, you know, and we'll see if we can diamond cut the spokes and the wheels as well. See where this is right here? That's where you make your diamond cut design and do those. So, you know, you don't have to buy these things diamond cutted because they cost a lot of money diamond cut. Just this piece alone's like $130, $140. Now the one that goes in here, that piece I might have to buy because this is plastic. Or you can get a Chinese one that just goes right over this for Or you know what? No, I think this comes off and the Chinese one goes in there. I think it's like $54. Because that has to be diamond cutted too to go with the rest of the scheme. But yeah, if you just buy yourself a Dremel tool, man, and do these yourself, you save a lot of money. Anything aluminum, you can diamond cut and you can engrave. And I think I told you guys about the Rebel, and we did that up. I even did my starter. See, we even engraved the starter. Diamond cut of the starter. That's the part that face. I even did the part that faces the engine. You'll never even see that, but I did it anyway. That's the part that faces out. I did my manifold up. Manifold ready to go. Polished inside best I could. Got my clutch cover done. Sprocket cover's done. Stator cover's done. And let me show you the carburetor. I even did the carburetor. It's not much, but at least it's done up. So, all right, I'll catch you all later.